Hello, everyone. My name is Barry Carlos. I am a juvenile probation officer with the state of Connecticut, and I was a part of the 2019 Transforming Youth Justice Leadership Development Program, Cohort. I enjoyed the program. I definitely enjoyed each month coming together with my peers and being around a group of individuals who were just as passionate about juvenile justice as I am. Being a person who is always trying to learn more, always trying to do my job to the best of my ability. I think that this program gave me the tools to be able to take my career to the next level in terms of doing it better, in terms of understanding it better, and in terms of being able to teach others about juvenile justice. It gave me plenty of resources to draw from, I think, including my peers who have different areas of expertise. We were all able to come together and talk about what it is that we do to work with youth and reduce recidivism rates in our own capacities. But I also do feel that the presenters were great as well. Each presenter came in, they brought something, and it left us with some great information that we could bring back to our office and share with our own peers that we work with on a daily basis. I definitely look forward to hearing about the graduation. Hopefully, I can attend it. And I definitely wish you all the best of luck. Definitely stay safe and get as much out of the program as you can because there's a lot of information to learn. There's a lot of friendships to be made and cohort. I definitely can't wait to be one of your cohorts, but definitely, again, congratulations on being a part of the program, and I look forward to meeting you all very soon.
Hi, my name is Christine Hauser. I'm the Director of Outpatient Services at the Children's Center of Hamden. Specifically, we work with teenagers with mental health and substance use disorders. We work in getting them connected to treatment and provide treatment for them. And there have been so many challenges with getting young people to start and stay in treatment that they need that we've done a lot of work trying to fill in gaps that exist in the system, trying to identify barriers that prevent kids from getting the help that they need and working to make changes. And that's really what inspired me to apply for and participate in the TAO Leadership Development Program. I learned so much that has helped me to have a much greater impact on the program and the kids that we work with. You're going to get a wonderful professional network. They're going to share ideas with you that are going to inspire you. The trainings are going to teach you new things and get you thinking in new directions and give you lots of tools to make changes. So I walked away with all of that, but I also had one really specific experience that I wanted to share with you that I learned a lot from. We had the chance to visit York Women's Correctional Facility, the Worth program. If you don't know what that is, it's in a nutshell a young adult program for women. And the whole environment is much more therapeutic. They have the opportunity to talk about their histories, to work out conflict with each other. And so we were invited in to experience that and hear about it. And when we walked into the unit, the women were sitting in a really big restorative circle and we were invited to sit next to them. And the only thing going through my mind in that moment was, where am I supposed to sit? Because I'm in a correctional facility and I don't want to break the rules. So I'm looking around to try to get an idea of what we're supposed to do. And I see one of the women from our cohort just very confidently walk across the circle and sit right next to some of the women. And I was really surprised. And I turned to one of the other women in our cohort and I said, look at Valerie. And Charday looked at me and she said, yeah, what's the big deal, Christine? They're just kids. And that's exactly what I needed to hear in that moment. Because in this whole correctional environment, even though it was a therapeutic unit, I had temporarily forgotten that they were just kids because they were treated like prisoners. So that had a huge impact on me. Hearing the women's stories, hearing what they went through, hearing what they worked on, had a huge impact on me. And to make it even more impactful, after our circle, one of the women approached me who I recognized from one of our treatment programs. And I knew her story. It was a sad story. She had a trauma history. She had a hard family life. She had gotten involved in some things that she couldn't get untangled from, and she ended up there. And I walked away just feeling so heavy, thinking about all of the places in our system that have just failed all of these people, not because of anything we did or didn't do, but because the system isn't really set up to help the way that it needs to be. And so from that, I really learned the areas and the places where we can intervene to make a difference. And I hope that you gain something similar from your experience, that you find something that you can take back in order to make change. So, best of luck. Congratulations. Really hope that you enjoy your year.
Hi, my name is Sade McGee. I work for the Judicial Branch, CSSD. I am a juvenile detention supervisor. I am currently assigned as the training coordinator for juvenile residential services as a whole. My advice would be to make sure you're soaking in all the information. You're going to receive so much important and relevant information. Make sure you are taking it all in. A big part of being a great leader, in my mind, is the ability to productively reflect. And that helps you always strive for growth. And this program gave me opportunity and it helped me polish those abilities. Something that stood out to me was the opportunity to connect with both community and state stakeholders. That was huge. I left the program with so many takeaways that helped me both professionally and personally. Like more knowledge around the framework of our juvenile justice system. Also, amazing relationships with folks from different agencies. And overall, just a better look at role awareness and how I can continue to make a difference in the lives of our youth. Well, good luck and have fun.